Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and it is the start of the Purple Alphabet holiday gift guides and giveaways. Throughout the month of November, every video up until Thanksgiving will be featuring some really amazing products that are Purple Alphabet approved, and there will be a giveaway in each video too. Today's gift guide is all about creativity, and I have a lot of fun activities that you can do with your kids, and they would make great gifts. This is the Dot Markers Activity Book Kit. It's for ages 3 and up. Comes with 1 activity book and 6 dot markers, so you get 6 different colors. And just playing with these on their own is also really fun. Let's see, we have red, orange, green, a teal, blue, and my personal favorite, purple. I picked this one because it comes with everything you need to get started. You don't have to get 2 separate pieces. You have your activity book and you have the markers, and that's it. This one is geared for ages 3 and up, so you'll notice all of the pages in here are for that age range. And these little pages also can come out if you want them to come out individually. The paper is actually a really good paper because they want to make sure that you're preventing bleeding to the other side. So when you use the dot markers, you don't have to worry about it going through. We have all of the little illustrations on here. You can color them as well as using the dot markers, and then you'll notice that there's little dots on each one of these pages, and that's where you'll use the little dauber to color it in. They did have a few other selections on their website to choose from too, so if there's one you'd prefer, you can pick that one. To use the markers is super easy. You just shake it really well, and then the first time you use it, you kind of have to push down a little bit because the color is not there. You can see how it's white right now. So this little tip right here will be how it's dispensed. So you shake it and then you push down until you start seeing the color come out of the marker. So let me just do it a couple times just to get it saturated. There we go. Now you can see it's got purple on it. I did a little too much there. And then you can dot your picture. This is really good for fine motor control, making sure you get on the dots as you go along. You can also use it for counting and for learning colors. And it looks like I could use a little bit more precision with my dotting, but for sake of demonstration and going faster, you guys can get the idea. A great fun way to work on hand-eye coordination, and I like that you get the rainbow of colors and the workbook in one. This is the paint by number kit. It is the animal paint by numbers. There's a couple of different ones you can choose from. It's for ages 5 and up. And inside, you get 24 acrylic paint pots, 2 pre-printed canvases. This one is a toucan and this one is a llama. And then 3 paint brushes. So on the paint brushes, these are 3 different sizes. So you can use the medium, thin, or the broad brush. And then what's cool about the paint pots is that they're on this little cardboard piece here that tells you the number for every single color. So there's no guessing. You can just say, okay, the orange is the 1 and the pink is the 2. And if these get separated, somehow you can still match them up because the card color is right there by it. So you know which ones go where. Each one of these sets corresponds to one of the canvases. So the canvases has the picture already pre-printed on there with the numbers. Plus they have a guide here so you can visually see how it's supposed to look. And then these are real canvases. It's just a really simple paint by number. It's not too small or complicated. It's really easy for them to fill in and do it. And then on the back of each canvas too, there's this little hanging accessory here so you can have it ready to hang right away, right after you finish the artwork. Also want to let you guys know that there is a coupon available and it's valid through December 31st of 2022, where you can get 10% off your entire order. And this is on the Arteza website, the US and UK website. I want to put that coupon code down below so that you can take advantage of that. They are also available on Amazon. I'll leave those links there too if you prefer that. You just can't use the coupon there. Here are the wooden ornaments set. There are 21 wooden holiday ornaments in here for Christmas. It's for ages 6 and up. There's a lot to show you in this one. So you get 21 wooden ornaments, and these are a really good size. Here they are compared to my hands. You can see how big they are. But you get, it looks like these are little bulb ornaments. We have some Christmas wreaths, and these are 3 each. Santa Claus, little reindeer, Christmas tree, snowman, and then a snowflake, or actually 3 snowflakes. This set comes with 18 paint pods in all the different Christmas colors. And I like that they also include the blue for the snowflakes. And then they have the twine that comes with it so that you can instantly hang it up onto a Christmas tree. You get 6 markers, 5 different brushes, and these also have different widths to them, a little bit fine, so you can do the finer detail, like for the eyes or mouth, and they have broader ones that you can use to fill in the shape. Some gemstone stickers. There's some stars on there, some pink circles in different shapes and sizes. Here are some bows, which would be really cute to put on your snowman or on your Santa Claus. We have some Google eyes, chenille stems, which they show here on the picture, like wrapping around the Christmas tree, like as if it was garland. Gotta have some glitter, so there's 4 things of glitter glue in green, red, and also the blue. And then a little guide here that comes with it to give you some ideas and suggestions on how to decorate all of your ornaments. These ornaments are great to do at home for your own Christmas tree. You can also use them in group settings because there's enough for that, or give them as gifts. And it's really cool that you get 3 of each shape. These 2 sets I wanted to show together because they're very similar in style, but they are different inside. They're for ages 6 and up. This first one is a color by numbers, and it's a really cool item because it comes all together in one. So you open it up and everything is stored within the case. Great grab and go thing, travel activity, restaurant kit activity, doctor kit activity, because it's all done for you. So over here you get all the different colored pencils. There's 12 of them and they're double-sided. So you get 2 colors in one, and they just fit right in here and snap in so they don't fall out. And then if you have colored pencils, you're going to need a pencil sharpener. So they've got a pencil sharpener up here at top. And in case you make some mistakes, there is also an eraser up here in the corner. And then here is a black marker. The activity book is over here. It's 100 pages, and there's a little pocket in here that keeps it secure for when you close it. So the pages can come out of this book too, and then you have all of the numbers here to color in how you wish. And then there's a little guide down at the bottom that tells you which color goes with which spot or which number. I'll flip through here and show you a few of the designs. So some of them are really simple and some of them are more complicated, like these over here. So you can kind of pick and choose the level that is best suited for your child. A little elephant. This one's going to be flowers. I like the ones where you can't really tell what it's going to be until you color it in. Monkey. Looks like it's going to be a bird, maybe a birdhouse on that one. Fox and a dog. This one a koala bear, I think. Spaceship. So there's plenty of designs and all kinds of different things to fill in. And then when you're done, it just fits right back into the folder and you're good to go. This other one is the same concept, except this one is an I Spy book. So in this one, you have the colored pencils and you have, one color, different shade on each color. You have your eraser, your black marker, and then your pencil sharpener. And then this book is a little bit different in that it is an I Spy book. So on this one, it has little directions on what you're supposed to do. This one is find 2 of the same pictures. This one over here is like an I Spy, count how many of the flowers there are, how many of the rainbows there are, and then you can also color it. And then similar to the color by numbers, each page is different, but it's also a different kind of level. So there's some easier ones and there's some more difficult ones. I like this shape one right here. I think that's a really good one. How many dogs are there? You count the dogs. You could put here. This is find 3 of these birds. You can color those in. This is how many books, how many crayons are there. Very good for visual perception, also counting and coloring at the same time. Looking for those similarities and differences is a really good skill to work on, especially for the preschoolers. So flipping through just to give you a sense of the different pages that they have, there is a lot to choose from. And then when this one's all done, it also goes back here in the folder, close it up, and you're good to go. This one is the string art set, and they did have a couple of different styles. This one's the sea animals. It's for ages 8 and up. This one comes with quite a bit. We've got, let's see here, we got 5 different boards. These are the foam boards that all of the string art pins will be put into. So you got 5 different ones of those, and then you'll use them with the 5 different pictures here. So these are actually going to go on that foam board so that you can complete your picture, and you'll have that as a background. So this one's like a little jellyfish. There's a crab, a whale, fish, and a seahorse. Then you get these backings. So these go on the back of your picture to cover up anything that you've punched through. It also comes with this really cool guide, and it tells you how to do the string art, and it walks you through step by step all of the materials you have and how to use them. That's a few pages there. And then it also gives you kind of like a picture of what a finished one looks like. Oh, look at the little sloth. The sloth is cute. Then you get the thread. So we got different colors in those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 15 different skeins of thread in a couple different colors. And these colors are going to match up to these pictures. So it's all color coordinated, so you'll know exactly which ones to use where. And then they have all of the little pins that go in. So there's pink, yellow, light blue, a red, white, kind of a strawberry red, and a navy blue. And these are plastic, so they're not going to hurt as much as the metal one would be. So they're a little safer than using those kinds of materials. You have dots all over your picture here, and they are color coded, so you know which colors to put into which dots to complete your string art. Then when you're all done, they have 5 of these little kickstands here that have adhesive right on the back, so you can put this onto your picture to have it like a picture frame to be displayed. So I think that's a really clever way to have a finished product. The string art works on fine motor control and really wrapping that string around all of the different pins and putting the pins into there on all the different dots too. And it's a really fun way to do an art project. I like the examples that they have on here too, where they have the crab and the finished whale. So let's talk about the giveaway details. For this video, you will get your choice of any of the Arteza products that I have featured today. So you will get your choice of the color by numbers, the I Spy sheets, the dot marker activity book, the paint by numbers kit, the wooden ornament kit, or the kids string art sea animals. First of all, make sure you are subscribed to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel, then head over to the giveaway link, which is in the description box to officially enter to win. This giveaway is for US and UK only, and you must be 18 years of age or older to win. Of course, I always have some bonus opportunities to score more entries, and one of them is hidden in this video, so you might want to go back and look for that so you can score some extra entries. You guys, click subscribe to see more videos like this. Give a thumbs up to show your love. More gift guides are coming.